Ever wonder where all your time goes? Let's track it and find out. Welcome to day 14 of the Transform 365 challenge. Today we are going to do a time audit, which is a simple but eye-opening exercise to track how you're spending your time. This will help you identify where your time is going and where it might be slipping away. Track your day. For one full day, record everything you do in 30-minute intervals. Be honest, even if you spend 20 minutes scrolling on social media or watching TV, write it down. Use whatever method works best for you. You can use a notebook or a journal, you can create a spreadsheet and use it, or you can use an app like Toggl or Clockify. Categorize your activities. At the end of the day, review everything you recorded and categorize each activity into 3 groups. Essential tasks, things that absolutely need to get done, like work meetings, cooking meals, etc. Meaningful tasks, activities that align with your goals, exercising, journaling, distractions. Time spent on unproductive activities, excessive social media scrolling, etc. Reflect on your patterns. Now that you've categorized your activities, ask yourself, where am I spending most of my time? What distractions are eating into my day? Are there any small pockets of time that I can reclaim for more meaningful tasks? You might realize that checking emails multiple times an hour is taking up more time than necessary. Or maybe you notice that evenings are filled with distractions. A time audit will help you see exactly where your time is going, so you can make intentional changes. Once you know where you're spending your time, it becomes easier to align it with what truly matters. Take some time today to complete your time audit and reflect on what you discover. Share one surprising insight from your audit in the comments and post about it using the hashtag Transform365. Let's learn from each other.